Hey Geek, so if you're thinking about upgrading your computer, there are so many options out there and all of them cost money. And so today I'm going to be talking about the cheapest upgrades that you could make as a creator, because as creators, our needs are going to be different from other types of users. So let's start off with the cheapest, and I would say the best value to performance upgrade that you can make, and that is your RAM. So whenever I went from 16 gigs to 32 gigs, I saw a huge difference. And I saw this in everything from video editing, image editing, multi-application use, my normal everyday workflow. I was able to do things faster and be more productive. And this is despite the fact that I was still using the same CPU and motherboard that I had when I built my computer back in 2016. And the overall cost of doing this was around $80 to $100. And I would say if you are thinking about improving the performance of your machine right away without spending a lot of money, then RAM should be the first place you should look. And then the second best budget upgrade that you could make is storage. And what I'm talking about here specifically is mechanical drives, or some of the more affordable external options that use mechanical drives or some type of cheaper SSDs. Typically, you're gonna get like 5 terabytes or more. And I prefer these type of storage options versus SSDs, and especially versus M.2 drives, because they're first and foremost cheaper, and more importantly, you're getting a ton of storage space, because as a creator, and especially if you're gonna be doing 4K or anything above that, they take up so much space, and investing more of your money in the cheaper storage options is really gonna serve you well over the long term. And then as you get more and more content, then you could think of more complicated storage solutions for your creative needs. So those are the two cheapest and I would say best upgrade options for creators. Not only are you going to see immediate performance benefits, but you're also going to see a lot of long-term gains for your creative work. And then later on, as you upgrade and you have more money to afford more upgrades, then obviously you could go crazy and build whatever you want. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other upgrades that you use as a creator, be sure to leave in the comments area below. Plus, if you did want to see my previous video where I talked about upgrading from 16 gigs to 32 gigs, I'll leave that video in the description area below or up here.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.